Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how to send money with Starling Bank. Starling Bank offers several ways to send money, and it's all done through their mobile app. For a standard UK payment, simply go to the Payments section in the app. You can then add a new payee by entering their name, sort code, and account number. Once the payee is set up, you can enter the amount and a reference, then confirm the payment. These payments are typically sent through the faster payments system and arrive almost instantly. If you need to send money to another Starling customer who is nearby, you can use the Nearby Payments feature. This uses Bluetooth or Wi-Fi to find other Starling users and lets you send money without needing their account details. For international payments, you can send money in local currency to over 30 countries directly from the app. When you set up an international payment, Starling will show you the exchange rate and any fees up front. You'll need the recipient's name, address, and bank details, including their international bank account number, IBAN, and their bank's SWIFT/BIC code. Starling also has a split the bill feature, which allows you to easily divide a bill with friends and send them a request for payment. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.